you may see the that is the basis of starting point you will see application of the rules. Once that's approved, you will get foundation to the look at the decision and you may have more stuff to go back to it. That's what we intend to do. So,
我想問咧，咁你會唔會俾得一先放加快嗰個 PM 唔會咯？因為你最快啊嘛，嚇？唔需要。哦，咁但係可能會搞半年先搞掂。有佢啊，好似嘥一先放。
Thank you. So the next speaker for after that is from Scott University.
咁啊，等半年咯。
幾個禮拜至1年啊嘛。
1年添啊？
其實係咁講嘅。
哦。
哎呀，冇得買嘅，我真係講錯。
我問你啊，我都諗緊點解俾一先放。
問你估你啲 friend 有嘢講
係啊，揾工好好多啊。唔關事，你覺得唔關事？
喺度做咩？
好啦，祝你好運。喇叭條有綁到冇咁細個條。
你唔使揾你啊，喺度我啊，喺度附近啊，喂，見到佢啦，係咩？
That movement was not only for Hong Kongers, it was for all of us who suffer under the weight of the Chinese regime. The umbrella movement gave strength to Uyghurs, Tibetans, Southern Mongolians, and Chinese dissidents alike, reminding us that the thirst for freedom is universal and that even the most powerful authoritarian system cannot extinguish. But as we gather here today, we must also acknowledge the painful reality of what has happened since those days of old. In just 11 years, we have seen dramatic and devastating changes. Hong Kong's freedom has been stripped away under the weight of the nation's reward.
今天虽然是下雨。
And beyond the borders of China, we all face cruel transnational repression. Uyghur activists are harassed and silenced abroad. Hong Kong activists live under the shadow of boundaries placed on their heads. Tibetans, dissidents, and